Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Cupra Leon, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. In a world where hot hatches are becoming endangered species, pour one out for the Hyundai i30N. Cupra's coming in hot with some serious updates to their performance hatchback. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about that face. Cupra says it's inspired by sharks, but let's be real. It's clearly designed to match their new electric lineup. The new triangular LED headlights and that smooth grille-less front end, it's definitely going to turn heads, even if some of you might miss the more aggressive look of the old model. Oh, and they've thrown in an illuminated Cupra badge at the back, because why not? It's 2025 after all. But here's where things get really interesting. While everyone's focusing on the range-topping 296 horsepower gasoline version, the real star of the show is actually the hybrid. Yeah, you heard that right. The new eHybrid version now pumps out 268 horsepower. That's up from 242 in the previous model, and packs a serious punch with 400 Newton-meters of torque. Sure, it's lugging around an extra 212 kilos of batteries and motors, but honestly, you'd hardly notice. Speaking of batteries, this thing can now go 73 miles on pure electric power. That's proper commuting range, not just a token EV mode. And while Cupra claims some ridiculous miles per gallon, let's get real. In our testing, we consistently saw over 50 mpg with regular charging. For a performance car, that's impressive stuff. Step inside and you'll find a properly modern cockpit. There's a massive 12.9-inch screen running Volkswagen's latest infotainment system, which is better than before. Look, I'll be honest, keeping all the climate controls on the touchscreen isn't my favorite choice. Sometimes you just want a physical button, you know? But the rest of the interior, it's solid. Those copper accents are everywhere, and they've even gone eco-friendly with the seats, using 73% recycled materials. Nice touch, Cupra. Now here's the really surprising bit. The hybrid might actually be the better driver's car. Yeah, I know, I was skeptical too. It does 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds, which is 1.4 seconds slower than the gas version. But numbers don't tell the whole story. That instant electric torque makes it feel properly quick in real-world driving. The engine stays smooth until you really wring it out past 5,000 RPM, and get this, the extra weight from the batteries actually seems to help the ride quality. Who would have thought? Let's talk value. Starting at around 42,000 pounds, it's not cheap, but consider what you're getting. A proper performance car that can handle daily duties, sip fuel like a hybrid should, and still put a smile on your face when you find a good road. Plus, with hot hatches becoming rarer by the day, this might be one of your last chances to grab a practical performance car before everything goes full electric. Time for the verdict. Look, I'll level with you. The 2025 Cupra Leon isn't perfect. The new looks might not be everyone's cup of tea, and those touch controls can be annoying. But here's the thing. Cupra's done something really special here. They've taken a performance car and made it genuinely efficient without killing the fun. The hybrid version especially feels like it's got one foot in the future while keeping the other firmly planted in what makes hot hatches great. Should you buy one? If you're in the market for a hot hatch that can do it all, absolutely. The eHybrid especially makes a strong case for itself. It's quick enough to be fun, efficient enough to make sense, and different enough to stand out. In a world where performance cars are increasingly under pressure to clean up their act, the Leon shows us that the future might not be so bad after all. What do you think about the new Cupra Leon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.